Hey honey, check this out. It's the INFINITI of Tacoma video I was telling you about.
The luxury car dealership? I hadn't really thought about Infiniti.
Yeah, check their website. They've got some great looking cars.
Wait, is that one of the new models? It looks amazing.
Want to check it out? Take it for a drive?
Sure, but I can't. Work is insane right now. The last thing I need is to sit in traffic just to get to a dealership and have some pushy sales guy trying to strong-arm a deal.
Well, these guys are getting rave reviews for great customer service. And you don't even have to go into the dealership. They have a consultant bring the car to you, like a concierge with no high-pressure sales.
They do that? Wow, okay, we need to set up our appointment online right now.